Hello, I welcome you to this do it yourself training. I am Balogun Adewale. Today we are going to look at how you can access a blog website using a proxy server. For one reason or another, your ISP might be blocking some website that you are accessing, which unknowingly to then based on their settings. It could be intentional, sometimes it might not be intentional, not that it targets that website itself, but because of settings which of course the website might be prompt to, which is part of, that's why it's blocking it. So but for one reason, for if you still feel you need to access the website, you can use a proxy server to get access to it. Another thing is, if you decide you want to browse and want to be anonymous, as in you don't want to be using your own private, personal ISP address to, your IP address to access the website or to browse, you can use a proxy server. In other words, it should not be showing your own IP address, it will be showing whichever proxy server address you use. I am not teaching this for one scamming or bad activity or another, but because sometimes there's always a need for it, because I have been a victim of this. For example, majority of blog that is created using blogger.com, and then you attach personal, custom domain to, will always have this challenge, as in by the time you attach your custom domain, not just redirect, it's always sometimes block such website. The reason for now I'm there to detect, but I believe is one setting or another on some ISP, not all ISP, don't get me wrong. Okay, I've tried one ISP like that it's is blocking my blog that I created using blogger.com and then attaching it to my custom domain. Then another thing you should know before you use this is that don't use it for any secure transaction. You're sharing your personal information, password, or financial data, your cards. If you want to do anything, purchasing anything, or logging into one online website or another, I am not advising you use a proxy server. It could be dangerous. So having said that, then let us go directly to the practical. I'm going to use two browsers to explain this. I'm going to use the Mozilla Firefox, and I'm going to use the Google Chrome. Now let's start with the Mozilla Firefox first. You go to what's it called it, go to freeproxylist.com. when you go there, make sure you change the settings, forget about the port, just this into 100%. you want the one that is uptime 100%. then you click on search. So it will bring the list of the available one. Then you also have choice which country. I'm going to use this from US, this from Russia. Let me use this from US. Then another thing is, do you want the one that is anonymous or not? Like this one from Brazil is not anonymous, which means your ISP, your IP address is still the same. Okay, somebody will still know that you're browsing from here. But if you use the one with without, let me use that one, with anonymous, it won't be that way. Then you go to your tools and open option. On the options, search for network settings. Depends on the versions of Mozilla Firefox. This is the latest version. So I don't know how you're going to get it, but I'm sure when you get to option, you check around, it's under different headings and categories. You should be able to get that. Look for network settings, click on it. Then I think I've done this before. It will be this way. Without this will be 0, this will be 0, okay, and good, this will be 0, like this. So you just click on this manual, paste paste the IP address, then check the port 8080, copy, or you just go directly and type if you can remember that. I think 8080. Then remember to check use proxy server for all protocols, then click OK. That is just what you need there, and I can guarantee you at least 90, let's say 95% of website will still open with these tactics. So another, if you want to use that of Google Chrome, what you need to do is click here and go to settings. I've already been in settings. Then go then to, now what is going to happen, this is the way it is going to be, this advanced, this is the latest Google Chrome as well. I don't know which version you are using, so you should be able to search for this. So scroll down until you get to under system, that is open proxy settings. So you click it, and then proxy settings, we're going to LAN settings under connection tab. So then I'm going to use proxy. Okay, so let me recopy this, and then the port is 8080, remember that. Okay, here it is, 8080. So you are done. Click OK, click OK, and I can guarantee you will be able to access that website. So I'm very sure this is going to be of help one way or another. So thanks for watching this tutorial. So now if I didn't use a proxy, this will not be possible. Okay, I've been having that based on this ISP I'm using presently. So that's why sometimes I hardly use it, but I'm using it because of this training. Thank you.